Welcome to Showroom Window by Marshall, your personal video presentation service.
Hello, and thank you for your inquiry on this Skoda Karoq SE L that we can see here. I'm just going to take you around the outside of the car and we can pick up some other features such as the stunning alloy wheels with colour-coded door mirrors with the chrome window surrounds and matching chrome roof rails as well. We should just be able to pick up the rear parking sensors, and this car also comes with a rear camera. So now we have a look at the outside. Let's quickly take a look inside. So the interior, it's black microfiber suede. We've also got dual zone climate control, satellite navigation and cruise control, along with auto lights. And we've got the start button there, so for keyless start, keyless entry. Now this car is covered £5,220. If you like what you see, feel free to give us a call on 0115 9202 355, and we look forward to speaking to you very soon.
Thanks for watching Showroom Window by Marshall, your personal video presentation service.